everybody, the Pound Trader here, making an analysis for the 26th of August 2025. Welcome to the channel. So here we're starting off on the monthly time frame, and as we can see here, we had this breakout. I feel like this was probably a downtrend, and I can see that we have a breakout. This almost looks the impulsive move. We had a bearish candle here. The July monthly candle closed bearish, and I feel like this green bullishness is probably a retracement, maybe to come back to these levels here. And the main reason I think so is because when we take our fib tool, we can see that we are at the 60. We're not, but this level here is the 61.8% fib. So this looks ideal for price to maybe make a pullback, and then I don't know, maybe to observe what's going to happen from here, or even these levels, if it's going to push up or down. Personally, I am biased to the sell sides, so but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Now the weekly time frame, we can see that we had this uptrend. This almost looks like a head and shoulder situation here with the head at the top. And also, if you notice, guys, that we have this wick, very long wick here that was made last week. And usually when price has this a long wick, price tends to make a wick fill. So I am expecting price to maybe drop down back to these levels. Even here, a nice pullback to these levels would be nice. And yeah, probably, so I'll just wait and see. But basically what I'm saying is I'm bearish to the sell side as per now. I feel like maybe price will close below these levels. Okay, so daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, we can see what's happening. So we had this bounce almost on these levels here. I personally feel like, as much as yes, we've bounced from these levels here, this double top is pretty solid to me. And because I'm bearish on this, I'm biased to the sell side, I feel like we might just continue selling. So personally, I am looking for sells. I get that this is a bullish engulfing, but just looking at what's been happening even on the monthly time frame, I think for me, I am biased on the sell side. But you can let me know what you think. I'm always eager to hear your opinions. So 4-hour time frame, so we can see this is happening. We had this very big impulsive move here. Price made a correction, but I don't know if it'll have strength to continue pushing upwards. And maybe the reason I'm saying that, let's maybe go to the 1-hour time frame. So the 1-hour time frame, we can see I usually mark yesterday's highs and lows with a different maroon color. I don't know if you can see, but price has broken below yesterday's low, right? And usually when I see something like this is usually indication for me that price might continue selling. So for me personally today, I am going to be looking for maybe price to have another rejection around these levels here before taking those sells, heading towards the sells, right? And also yesterday we had a pin bar here. So I ended up taking this trade, which was a nice trade. It just hit TP this morning. I don't know if you can see this pin bar. After I saw this rejection, I was like, maybe this here might be a good indication to enter. And because I target 60 pips, as we can see here, yes, price ended up hitting TP today morning, so that was quite nice. So for me, I'm just going to be looking for continuation sells. So I'm waiting for rejections around this level here, and then maybe I can take another short position here, just targeting 60 pips, because I've found through back testing that when you target more than that, sometimes price might not always, go to those levels. So I feel like 60 pips is ideal for the pound USD. Anyway, that's just my opinion. You can let me know what you think. Let's look at the dollar index very quickly. We see what's going on. So let me just start maybe on the daily. So on the daily, that's too sorry. Okay, so on the dollar, we can see here we have this uptrend. Looks like we broke out of the trend line, and it looks like price wants to continue moving up because we have not broken these lows so far. And also when I take the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that price is at the 78.6, and I feel like these many rejections are also confirmation as to why I should also look for sells, because I feel like the dollar might be going up. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, I think we can see this more clearly. The news came and we still weren't able to break below this level here. So yeah, I think that's what I'll be looking for here. And also same thing here with the pound. When we look at the weekly time frame on the dollar index, we see that we have these very long wicks, and usually price does make a wick fill. So personally, if this fills up and even this wick here, that will be amazing, because that will also confirm the sells that I have on the pound. All right, y'all, that is it. That's my analysis. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.